Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can download Telegram app in your laptop Windows 10 or Windows 11, so it uses the same method. Okay, first of all you need to just press the start window on the left right hand of your laptop. So I need to zoom it in. I hope you can see. Okay, and after that you can just go to Microsoft Store. If you see this Microsoft Store, or if you cannot find that store, all you need to do just go to the search bar and then you can press store, typing on your keyboard STORE, and then you will see the Microsoft Store on your manual here, and now just click on it. After that the Microsoft Store will pop up on your screen, and this is the built-in app store inside your laptop, so there's no any additional. All the functions are the built-in inside your laptop. Okay, first of all, when you open the app, and before you can download any app, you need to create your Microsoft account and log in into your store, and after that you can download your app. Okay, after you already log in, the platform will show like this, and all you need to do just press the search bar here, and if you want to download Telegram, just type in Telegram. Okay, Telegram, and then it will suggest the app for you. And now I want to install this desktop, Telegram desktop, and install it. Just press install and it will start download. Okay, just wait to the download complete, and then you will press open. Okay, and now your Telegram app is now already installed to your laptop, and next video I will show you how to log in your Telegram from your smartphone. And now that is all for today's video of how you can download and install Telegram app to your laptop Windows 10 or Windows 11. It uses the same method because Windows 10 and Windows 11, it's both have the App Store, so you can use this method for your reference. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.